We also enjoy learning something every week. To educate us today is Persuasive Influence Proficient, Presentation Mastery 1, Pacita Florida.
Thank you, Madam Toastmaster. Let me share my screen. Let's see. I hope this works. All right. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. My topic for today is a brief tutorial on mind mapping. First of all, what is mind map? It's actually a virtual way to capture your ideas. It's a processing tool. It visibly processes, analyze, and structure information. It helps us with thinking or brainstorming our speeches, presentation, even a goal or project. Instead of writing a list, you can use mind map, even for groceries. Now, these are the components of the mind map and the 4 steps of creating it. As you can see, this is my presentation mind map that I'm using. First thing, number 1 is you start with the central topic. This is the central topic. And this is what your map is going to be about. And you have to express the idea as simply as possible. It can be a keyword, an image, or a phrase like I'm doing right now. Step number 2 is you create your branches. These are branches, or we call them main topics. Okay? And they are closely related to this central topic. And then you can add your subtopics. That's step number 3. Subtopics are, of course, closely related to your main topic. The third step will be to go deeper with your subtopic. You can add more subtopics and make sure you continue expanding each of these new topics as much as possible, filling the entire page. If you like, you can use different colors like I did here to represent different types of subtopics. The last thing you have to do that's most important is you review your work. Okay? Review the whole thing, and seeing the entire mind map laid out, you will likely we're going to add more to your branches. Right? If you can see, there is a floating topic right there. Now, I call this my parking lot. Okay. This is where I put something that I don't think it matched or related to any of the components, but then if I found out later on that it is, I could just move this floating map anywhere where it belongs. Okay. Now remember, there's no incorrect shape for a mind map, and yours will likely have its own unique organic shape. Okay. Now let's go to the next slide, major types of mind maps. There are 2 that I will tell you. This one is the handwritten mind map. It's using colored pen and paper. This is how mind mapping got started. And this is how I first learned how to mind map. Now, Tony Buzan is popularized this mind mapping concept that others rely today. The next type are mind map software. There are a lot of them, free or paid subscriptions. I only have 3 of them here. Xmind is what I use today. MindMeister is what I used several years ago. And I'm currently looking at Iowa, and I'm pretty impressed with it. And I'll show you why. This is an example of an Iowa mind map. As you can see, it looks like hand-drawn. Isn't that amazing? I love it. Now, my last slide is the prices slide. As you can see, all of them gives you free versions. Xmind, there's no time limit. MindMaster, you have 3 mind maps to present or to make. After the 3 maps, you can either erase them and get some more or make some more, but after that, you can't have any more. Iowa will give you 7 days, okay? And the prices are as printed here. The most affordable one is, of course, Xmine. It's only $5 a month if you choose the yearly subscription, and you get all this. Now, Iowa is the most expensive, but as they said, they're the only mind mapping software that uses artificial intelligence. And then also they have a lot of uses and forms that the other mind map don't have. MindMaster is similar to Xmine, and it is the most popular. Thank you. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at pacita.florium@gmail.com. Back to you, Madam Toastmaster.
Thank you, Pacita. This was a fantastic presentation.
Wait a
I
minute.
didn't have a clue what mind mapping was until you, and this was amazing. Thank you so much for sharing this with us.